Hi everyone! So again, I've never done a no-buy conclusion before, so I'll just go through the same format as I did with my previous no-buy videos. If you haven't seen them, I'll leave links to both videos down below. The first one is my initial no-buy video where I outlined how things would go, and the second one was a mid-year update. I recommend just watching the mid-year update and you'll be caught up. So now we've made it to the end of the year! Woohoo! I can't believe it's been a whole year! Time sure flies when we're having fun, huh? So, in my previous mid-year update, I scored myself a 5 out of 10. But a lot of you expressed that I was doing well and actually gave me an average score of 8 out of 10. By the end of this video, I'll score myself again to see how well I did, and you're welcome to give me a score again as well. For transparency's sake, I just wanted you to know that I'm filming this in November so that I have time to edit this and have it posted sometime in December. Alright, let's get to it. I'm going to skip over reason and intention. You can hear me talk about that in the mid-year update video. Straight onto the rules. I had 2 simple rules to keep myself in line and in check. The main one was to not buy any new paints. And the second one was that I was only allowed to buy things from my approved wish list. Again, if you don't know what that is, go check out the mid-year update. As for the results, the following items are the products I purchased from the beginning of the year till now. There's the Seconds bundle I bought from Rosemary, a Jackson's order, another Jackson's order, my $5 fountain pen haul, and this one core set from Jackson's. I'll leave links to haul videos down below if you'd like to watch them. Apart from buying stuff, I also sold several of my fountain pens. After deducting that from the amount spent, I spent a total of about $250 on art supplies this year, which roughly translates to about $20 per month. That's a significant decrease from what I had spent in 2021, so I'm really happy in that regard. However, I do feel like I failed myself because I was really determined not to buy any new colors, but this core set was such a great deal, I just couldn't pass it up. I'll have to give myself a 5 out of 10 for this section because I broke a major rule to myself. As for my goals, first was to finish 4 sketchbooks, which I have done. These 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry. 5 sketchbooks that I've done. So I did complete the finish 4 sketchbooks goal. I've actually left a couple pages blank in the back of a few of these, though, just in case I want to compare like the paper with something else in the future. So for the most part, as you can see, I've left like a few pages here, but then everything else is pretty much filled. I won't go through them all today because that'll take a long time, so if you want to see a flip through, then just let me know. My second goal was to review 4 products. As mentioned, I didn't like the Bronzeel watercolor pencils. I've put that aside to donate, and you know, it just didn't make me happy. I've also posted reviews of other products in its place, so that should be fine. The other 3 products are brushes. Instead of doing a 1-by-1 review of each one, I did a comparison video of all my small quill brushes. Again, the link is in the description box below. So I've accomplished both my goals in this part, so I give myself a 10 out of 10. Adding that with the previous score, that would give me a score of 7.5 out of 10 for how well I did for my no-buy 2022. I think that's a decent score. I know I could have done better, but for my first ever no-buy year, and considering that I don't have other leisurely expenses apart from art supplies, I think I did quite well. All in all, having a set plan and goals really helped me to focus on painting more and using the watercolors I already have. I've come to really appreciate the supplies I already own, and this whole experience has taught me a lot of things. From learning how much watercolor I actually use up to things that I own that I don't appreciate enough of. I've already started getting questions left and right whether I'd be doing a no-buy 2023, and personally speaking, I will definitely be doing it. Not a complete no buying anything at all type of no buy, but probably something similar to this past year where I set myself some rules. I do have a list of things I want to buy for sure, so I'll allow myself to have a month of some self-rewarding. Then maybe no more buying colors again, and also no more buying paper and sketchbooks unless I need to replenish. I'm just not sure yet if I'll make a video on it, so we'll see if I have time. However, I have had people ask me how in the world does one do a no-buy year for art supplies? Well, a lot of it came down to self-control. However, I did learn some things along the way and I want to share some tips with you all as well. I'll be making a separate video for that, so do keep an eye out for it if you're interested in knowing some tips for surviving no-buy 2023. Feel free to comment below on how well you think I did, how well you did yourself on your no-buy 2022, and what we could have done better maybe. That's it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Bye, everyone!